Hello and welcome. This is a Murphy Marketplace how-to video on how to make video pins for your Pinterest page to promote your Teachers Pay Teachers, which is what I use it for, or whatever you're trying to promote, using things you already have on your Mac that are free, your QuickTime, your Keynote, and your iMovie. So first I'm going to show you a couple of the video pins I made in the beginning and the trouble I had with them. So right here is my first one I ever made, and I used QuickTime to just do a screencast with no sound. So as you can see, there's this black stuff on the side of the screen. This is the right size to make a pin in the center, but because I was doing a screencast using QuickTime, you can see the blank sides of the screen. So I tried to fix that and I didn't quite have it right. Here's another one. And all it is a simple Keynote slideshow with a little animation added to the text and to the visual. But again, I had this weird black space. So I'm going to show you how to fix it so that you don't have that. Now, you will need to know how to do a QuickTime video, a QuickTime screencast. So I can't show you that because I'm doing a screencast right now, but you can watch a video like I did to just do a screencast of your Keynote or whatever of your computer using QuickTime. So once you've made that, this is the movie. I've already made it since I'm doing a QuickTime video right now. So here's Keynote, and I'm not going to teach you how to make Keynote. Essentially, all I do is add in some text and then add animations to the text or to the graphics that I put in. And the most important part is getting the size of your slide right. So all you do is go to the Document tab right here, go down to Slide Size, and select Custom Slide Size, and then this is the size you want. The width is 900 points. By the height is 1500 points, okay? And that gives you this long, skinny pin size that you want. Then all I do is press play, and they have these little animations, right? And I'm doing a screencast, but while I'm doing a screencast, all the black on the side of my screen is showing, and I don't want that for Pinterest. It won't load correctly, okay? So then what I do is I've already made that as a screencast with no sound right here, which is what you want. Then I'm going to open that same QuickTime video in iMovie because iMovie allows you to crop the sides of your video. So here's my little screencast. I'm going to drag it down here. I've already trimmed it. It's the perfect size. I've already edited it in QuickTime. And then all you have to do is go up here to this crop button right here, click crop, and you want the automatic one that it goes to, which is crop to fill. Well, now what I want to get rid of is the stuff on the side, right? So all I have to do is flip it, turn it clockwise. Now it's sideways, and then I move this cropping frame to the frame of where I want it, right there, right over my pin. It fits perfectly, that 900 by 1500 size, right? And I've cropped it. Okay, it's done. That's all you have to do. Now I'm going to export this video using this button right here to share it to file, and it goes to my desktop. I'll just name it Murphy Marketplace Peach because it's that little peach thing, peach watercolor thing in the middle, revised, save, and then it's going to export it for me. This little circle up here, this little pie, is the progress, right? It's gonna be done in a second and give me a little notification. So it seems silly to turn it to its side, but essentially you're doing that so you can crop this black part out, okay? Close out iMovie, and then here's my revised one on its side. I'm going to reopen it. It automatically, my Mac automatically opens it in QuickTime. Well, now it's on its side. So all I do is click Edit, rotate to the left, and look, it's standing back up the way I want it with no weird stuff around the side. Long, skinny pin. So I'm going to name it, and as you're probably familiar, Pinterest is a visual search engine, and I'm not promoting I like this cute background, but if you searched it, it would be like olive leaf or like watercolor circle or something, and that's not really what I'm promoting. So I will type in the keywords that I want people to know about this image. So I'm giving Pinterest more information. Transition, SPED, career, awareness, all these. It seems really long to name it all this, but it helps your pins get found. That's a whole other topic that you can watch videos about. So now I've got my original videos here. Then I made my movie, then I revised it and it's sideways, then I flipped it. Okay, so the flipped one is the one I'm going to want to add to Pinterest. And all you have to do is click right here and, oops, sorry, desktop. There's my one at the top. And as you know, there it goes. It's loading. Title it Secondary Special Education Resources, Transition, Education, Career, Awareness. Obviously, you would do whatever you're trying to pin. Blah, blah, blah. Then I'm going to hit a link. I want it to link to my Teachers Pay Teachers store. That's the whole point of why I'm doing this. Select, I'm going to do special education, and boom, it is up there. It takes 1 sec. Sometimes it starts to heat up. My computer gets a little hot when I'm running video. As you can hear the fan in the background. So it's that simple. It's totally just animation from your Keynote. And when I first started doing it, here I'm going to show you, it just catches people's eye. And so they're really simple little videos. I mean, there's really nothing to them. They're just these Keynote things. Here's another one I did. And all it does is like, hang on a sec, it's going to start. Look, this just wiggles and that wiggles. And it's simple. But it has 895 views, which for me in my realm of Pinterest and kind of where I'm at is really good. So my video pins are top pins. So you just need those 3 things. You need QuickTime, you need Keynote, and you need iMovie, and I hope this was helpful. And if you're looking for special education, secondary transition resources, check out my Teachers Pay Teachers page, and Godspeed on your journey with Teachers Pay Teachers and Pinterest. Good luck. Thank you.